Inverse of numpy's bincount function. Given an array of integer count C, how can I transform that into an array of integers in such that np.all_np.bincountins equals C is true? For example, context: I'm trying to keep track of the location of multiple sets of data while performing computation on all of them at once. I concatenate all the data together for batch processing, but I need an index array to extract the results back out. Current workaround.
Using numpy.repeat.
The following is about twice as fast on my machine than the currently accepted answer, although I must say I am surprised by how well np.repeat does. I would expect it to suffer a lot from temporary object creation, but it does pretty well.
No numpy needed.
If you want to sign up, please consider subscribing.